Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a fuse in an MK shaver socket. So these are typically not mounted in bathrooms, these are often in bedrooms or what. Like this one is in my bedroom. So what you first want to do is you first want to go to your fuse box, which may be located by your front door in your hallway or up high. So what you want to look for is your flap. You want to open the flap up, and it's typically on the lighting circuit. So you want to turn off the lighting circuit, or whichever one it's on. So once we know that's turned off, which you can see it is, we then want to come to here. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver because it's a little fuse compartment here, which you turn to unscrew. It is quite tight, so I'm just going to pause it while I try and undo it. Right, I'm back. So as you can see, I'm now turning it, and the fuse carrier will come out. It only comes out a certain distance, and then you'll have to pull it out manually. Now this fuse in here is a little bit different to your normal 13 amp size that you typically get in plugs. So what I need to do is I need to put this screwdriver in the hole and just push it out, and then I'm going to grab it with my pliers. So as you can see, that's the fuse. Now if I get my replacement fuse here, which is a 1 amp, and it's a lot smaller than your typical plug fuse, which is the black one. Now this is your replacement fuse. So what you want to do is you want to slide that back in the holder here, and then push this in a bit. When you feel it stop going in, you then want to get your screwdriver and then tighten it back up. So as you can see, there's the screw. Now that's done, you want to go back. When that's back in, don't do it too tight because you may break the plastic. When that's done, go back to your consumer unit and turn it on, and that's it.